Good afternoon. Welcome to interview preparation session by 360 Digital Inc. First question. What is a dynamically typed language in Python? What is a dynamically typed language in Python? Python is both a strongly typed and a dynamically typed language. Strong typing means that variables do have a type and that the type matters when performing operations like on variables. Dynamic type means that the type of variables is determined only during runtime. So this is called dynamic type language in Python. Second question. What are lists and tuples? What is the key difference between the two, lists and tuples? I will give 2 minutes time. After that, we can discuss answer. Lists and tuples are both sequence data types that can store a collection of objects in Python. The objects stored in both sequence can have different data types. Lists are represented with square brackets. Here I have given example. While tuples are represented with parentheses. Here I have given example for you. But what is the real difference between the both? The key difference between two of that, while lists are mutable and tuple on the other hand are immutable objects. This means that lists can be modified, appended, or sliced on the go, but the tuples remains constant and cannot be modified in any manner. So this is the difference between list and tuple. Coming to third question, what is parse in Python? I will give 2 more minutes. For every question, I will give 2 minutes. The pass keyword represents null operations in Python. It is generally used for the purpose of filling up empty blocks of code, which may execute during runtime, but have to be written. That is called pass in Python. Coming to fourth question, what is the break, continue, and pass in Python? Already we discussed pass in Python in third question. And what is break and continue? Okay, let's discuss the answer. What is break and continue? Break is a statement that terminates the loop immediately, and the control flows to the statement after the body of the loop. Coming to continue, the continue statement determines the current iterations of the statement. Skips the rest of the code in the current iteration and controls the flow to the next iteration of the loop. And this pass already we discussed in above question. Coming to fifth question, what are decorators in Python? Answer. Decorators in Python are essentially functions that add functionally to an existing function in Python without charging the without changing here, without changing the structure of the function itself. They are represented the here I have given decor name in Python and are called in a bottom up fashion. These are the decorators. And coming to next question, what is lambda in function? Lambda function in Python. Why it is used? Yeah, let's discuss answer. What is lambda function in Python? Why it is used? Lambda is an anonymous function in Python that can accept any number of arguments but can only have a single expression. It is generally used in situations requiring an anonymous function for a short time period. Lambda function can be used in either of two ways. One thing is assigning lambda function to a variable. Second one, wrapping lambda function inside another function. These two ways actually lambda function will be used. And coming to seventh question, what is the difference between exchange and range in Python? Okay, coming to answer, exchange and range are quite similar in terms of functionally. They both generate a sequence of integers with the only difference that range returns as a Python list, whereas exchange returns as a exchange object. Here I have given both. So these are the exchange and range. Coming to eighth question, while importing the data from different sources, can pandas library recognize dataset? Coming to answer, yes. While importing the data from the different sources, can pandas library recognize dates? Like they can, but with some bit of help. We need to add the this pairs date argument while we are reading the data from the sources. Consider an example where we read data from a CSV file. We may encounter different date time formats that are not readable by the pandas library. In this case, pandas provide flexibility built our custom date with the help of lambda functions. Coming to next question, what do you understand by Numpy? I want answers in chat box. This is easy question only. What do you understand by Numpy? Okay, coming to Numpy is one of the most popular, easy to use, versatile, open source Python based. It's a general purpose package that is used for processing array. Numpy is short for numerical Python. This is very famous for it's a highly optimized tool that results in high performance and powerful n-dimensional array processing feature that is designed simply explicitly to work on complex arrays. Coming to next question, differentiate between a package and a model in Python. The model, coming to this answer, differentiate between a package and a model in Python. The model is a single Python file. A model can import other models like other Python files as objects, whereas a package is the folder or a directory where different subpackages and the models reside. A Python model is created by saving a file with the extraction of .py. This file will have classes and functions that are reusable in a code as well as across models. So this is the difference between package and model in Python. Define pip. Yeah. Coming to answer, pip stands for Python installer package, full form of pip. As the name indicates, it is used for installing different Python models. It is a command line tool providing a seamless interface for installing different Python models. It searches over the internet for the package and installs them into the working directory without the need for interaction with the users. This is called pip. Coming to 12th question, which of the following is the use of id function in Python? I have given four options. Every object does not have a unique ID. Option B, ID returns the identity of the object. C, All of the mentioned. D, none of the mentioned. For this question, which option is right one? Once again, I will repeat the question. Which of the following is the use of ID function in Python? Still, I did not got any answer in chat box. What is the option for this 12th question? Okay, let's discuss. Answer. B is the option. Each object in Python has a unique ID. The ID function returns the objects of, objects ID. So option B is the correct answer. Coming to 13th question. Which one of the following is the use of function in Python? Option A, functions does not provide better modularity for your application. Option B, you can't sorry, you can't also create your own functions. Option C, functions are reusable pieces of programs. Option D, all of the mentioned. Which option is correct for which one of the following is the use of function in Python? Coming to answer, option C. Functions are reusable piece of programs. They allow you to give a name to a block of statements, allowing you to run the block using the specific name anywhere in your program and any number of times. So option C is the answer for this question. Coming to 14 question. Which one of the following is a Python tuple? In option A, I have given in flower bracket 1, 2, 3. Option B, flower bracket. Option C, in brackets I have given 1, 2, 3. Option D, in parentheses I have given 1, 2, 3. So which option is correct? Python tuple. Which of the following is a Python tuple? Only 2 numbers given answer. What about others? Coming to answer is D. Tuples are represented with the round brackets. Coming to 15th question. 15th question, what are the two main types of functions in Python? Option A, system function. Option B, custom function. Option C, built-in function and user-defined function. Option D, user function. What is the correct option for two main types of functions in Python? Coming to answer, C, built-in functions and user-defined one. Option C is the answer. The built-in functions are a part of the Python language. Example, dir, len, length, and length or ABS. The user-defined functions are functions created with the def keyword. So for this question, what are the two main types of functions in Python means? Answer is built-in function and user-defined function. Coming to next question. 16th one. Which one of the following is not a keyword in Python language? Option A, pass. B, eval. C, abstract. D, non-local. Once again, I will repeat the question. 16th. Which one of the following is not a keyword in Python language? Yeah, answer is B. Coming to 17th question. Where is the function defined model? I mean, option A model, option B class, option C another function, option D all of them mentioned. So once again, I will repeat the question. Where is the function defined? Model, class, another function, or all, all of them mentioned? Coming to answer, D functions. Option D is the answer. Functions can be defined inside a model, class, or another function. Coming to 18th question. Which one of the following function is a built-in function in Python? Option A, factorial. Option B, print. Option C, seed. Option D, square feet. Once again, I will repeat the question. Which one of the following function is a built-in function in Python? Raghavendra is saying that option B. It's print. Coming to answer. Yes, it's correct. B is the option. Print. The function seed is a function which is present in the random model. The function, whatever square and a factorial or the part of the math model, the print function is a built-in function which prints a value directly to the system output. Coming to 19th question. What will be the output of the following Python code? I have given here print ABC, DEF, capitalize. So option A, I have given caps A and small bc. In option B, I have given small abc. In option C, I have given caps A, small b and c. In option D, I have given all caps. Once again, I will repeat the question. What will be the output of the following Python code? I have given here code. This is the code. Select one option from ABCD. Coming to answer, A is the option. The first letter of the string is converted to uppercase and the other are converted to lowercase. Coming to 20th question. What will be the output of the following Python code? Here I have given print in round brackets. I have given star ABCD dot center 6 and once again star and sep I have given. For this I have given here options. In this select one in ABCD. Once again I will repeat the question. What will be the output of the following Python code? Coming to answer, B is the correct answer. Padding is done towards the right hand side when the final string is of even length. So option B is the correct answer for this code. You will get, if you type this code, you will get option B answer. Padding is done towards the right hand side first. Then the final string is of even length. So these are the top 20 questions I have taken. For interview, you will ask these from these questions, and you have to prepare top 20 questions from code also, Python code. If you have any doubts, you can ask. I will wait for 5 minutes. If you have any doubts, please mention in chat box. Okay, no one having doubts? Hope so. These are the top 20 Python questions. Interview preparation session by 360 Digital. Thank you.